Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Pense from Advani & Associates. Welcome back to our channel Taxonomy. In today's video, we will be discussing about an important step taken by our government with respect to tax reforms. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launches a transparent taxation platform to benefit the honest taxpayers, faceless and fearless. It shall be a big new push for the tax reforms. Let us understand the announcement in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has been working on various measures to make income tax system seamless, painless and faceless. On August 13th, PM Modi launches the transparent taxation platform while announcing multiple reforms under faceless assessment, faceless appeal and taxpayers charter. The Central Board of Direct Taxes also notified changes that include renaming the eAssessment scheme. Faceless assessment will remove the interference between the taxpayer and the income tax department. According to the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, it eases compliance burden, it brings in a fair, objective and a just system. There shall not be any physical interference between the department and the taxpayer, which to an extent shall bring in the certainty of information. Let us understand how the faceless assessment works. India's tax administration has been known for tax harassment. Hence, the government introduced faceless assessment to reduce the scope of corruption. Under the faceless assessment, a central computer will pick up tax returns for scrutiny based on risk parameters and any information mismatch. It will then randomly alert the returns for scrutiny to a team of officers anywhere in the country. This is done using data analytics and artificial intelligence, which means identity of the officer deciding the appeal will remain unknown. The allocation of cases for scrutiny will be reviewed by officers at another randomly selected location, and only if concurred, a notice will be sent by the centralized computer system. All such notices will have to be responded to electronically by the assessee without the need to visit tax office personally or meet any official. All the decisions will be team-based. It will also include best judgment assessments that refer to tax assessments done as per the best judgments of the tax officers, where the taxpayers does not cooperate or provide sufficient information for the completion of the assessment. As the IT department structures e-assessment scheme with faceless assessment, there will be an exception made for the cases under the Black Money Act, international taxation, serious fraud or tax evasion, and sensitive and research matters. Income Tax Department has issued additional guidelines for distinctive roles of officers for the implementation of faceless assessments. This will make National eAssessment Center the main gateway of communication with the taxpayer. Until this amended scheme, Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax or Principal Director General of Income Tax in charge of National eAssessment Center have been empowered to transfer cases to jurisdictional assessing officer at the request of taxpayer or under particular circumstances which require personal hearing. National eAssessment Center can also grant additional time to the taxpayer to provide details or to forward the case for best judgments assessment. Earlier, only jurisdictional AO could give best judgment assessment for the cases of non-cooperating taxpayers. Hence, the scheme hereafter abolishes territorial jurisdiction. CBDT has notified the National eAssessment Center at Delhi and various regional eAssessment centers across 20 cities for implementing faceless tax assessment scheme. Under this new guidelines, the power of survey under the Income Tax Act will be wielded by the investigation directorates and the TDS charges only. The government has also proposed to reduce the threshold of various transactions for tax disclosures that includes white good purchases, property tax payments, medical and life insurance premium, and also hotel payments. If property tax and electricity bills exceed Rs 20,000 and Rs 1 lakh, they will be reported respectively. They will be reflected in individual tax account statements in Form 26 as faceless appeal will be available from September 25th, whereas other changes have come into force from August. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Also, please feel free to contact us on the mail ID given in the description box for any queries. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Taxonomy. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we come up with a video.